Not the usual video. We are just about to get a huge cold spell here, which means perfect time of year for ice hockey. Just got done with the work I needed to get done today, and it is time to start building our little ice rink. It's 35 by 50. I'm hoping it's level enough to work out. Okay, first step was getting the whole border set up, which I wanted the tarps laid out to do that, but the tarps aren't gonna stay out here because it's gonna get real windy, because we got a big winter storm coming in, which is why it's gonna get real cold. So this is set up, and now I just gotta wait for the ground to freeze before we can take the tarp back out and start filling with water. Check it out. We got that whole border put together. So now we just need to deal with this massive liner so it's ready to go into there and fill up on Sunday. All right, it is -12 out today, right now. It's supposed to get up to like -1. Woo! But check it out. We have started to fill the rink. It definitely seems that this corner is the high corner. I'm hoping there's not enough level change that this doesn't work out. Yeah, I guess I will update you when we get some more water in here and see what it starts to look like. All right, we didn't finish flooding yesterday, so I'm gonna clear off the snow and we're gonna keep on filling. So filling yesterday, all the water went under the ice and lifted it up and caused massive air pocket under the freaking ice sheet. So it might be ruined. Hung up the lights. Most of it's skatable, but yeah. So it's time to start playing hockey, I guess. Well, today we are just doing a little bit of spot repair, trying to fill in as much of these like potholes as we can. We got like 3 or 4 days until everyone comes to play. So we probably won't be able to use the whole surface, but I'll patch as much as I can. And honestly, we still have plenty enough room to play. I mean, just to have fun. So learn some stuff. We'll do better next year. But I mean, this big area here is like kind of the worst of it. You can skate pretty far up into this area, but not too bad. We'll make the best of it, and I guess I'll probably check back in whenever everyone's over to play hockey. So some days here in the Midwest, you don't even need a hockey rink in your yard. You just need a little bit of crappy weather. Woke up this morning and slipped on my back porch and was like, holy crap, it is icy out. And I have just been skating in the roads. So, I mean, the ice rink's fun and all, but I mean, you got all this open area. It is honestly such a vibe out here at night, but I figured I'd update you on how my little patch jobs actually turned out. So I filled them kind of with snow and dumped water on them. You can see that. I mean, it's solid. I gotta level it out with some hot water. But the big stuff I couldn't get, but I honestly saved a good chunk of it, and we'll be skating tomorrow, so. Oh! We need a Sally going back this way. Yeah.
Definitely. That's how it hurt. No, I got it. That's good. Glad I can still taste you. That's what foul. Dude, someone do a touchdown, bro. Touchdown! Woo! Oh, yeah. Look at that game, dude. Where's the start at now? Yeah.
Let's see a top shelf. Top shelf. Bar Mexico. Bar Mexico. Dude, Bar Mexico. Up here, up top shelf. Top cheddar, baby. Top shelf. Top shelf where grandma keeps the cookies. Yep, he's a bender. He's a bender. Sorry.
This one's for Tracy.
This okay.
I'm gonna do Tracy proud.
I mean, not Bar Mexico, but okay.
Alright, this one really for Tracy now.
Ah! Dang, Tracy gonna be so proud.
No cap.
Combs never skated. Yup.
Yeah, bend your knees. Just your chest up. Yeah, boy.
Yeah, bender, dude. Just getting circles around you, babe. You're a straight traffic cone, man.
How do you guys do that? I want to learn.
Dude.
I've had a blast. It's a little chilly, but it's been great.
It is chilly. It's been like, what? It's like 3 degrees right now, I think.
What is it?
I bet it's 4. 6?
Wind chill's probably -20.
Yeah. But
It's chilly.
turned out decent, I think.
My day sucked, but this ice rink pretty fire.
What'd you do to the Jeep, man?
Didn't finish what I needed to get done except for an oil change, so she'll make it home.
Yep, but the ice rink, though.
The ice rink,
I drink though.
it rinking.
It's raining. So that's been the conclusion of the 2024 ice rink. We learned a lot. We'll come back better next year. But I think it turned out good. Had some fun. And it was a good project. So,
Yes, sir.
yeah.